Imagine a world where national flags, symbols of pride and identity, are banned from public display. It all began with an unexpected ruling from the World Coalition on Symbolic Representation, a committee that no one had heard of until they declared flags too divisive and incendiary for modern society. The flags, they argued, no longer represented unity, instead they divided, sparking conflicts and fueling nationalistic fervour in an increasingly interconnected world. And so, overnight, flags were removed from flagpoles, wrenched off from buildings and hurriedly taken down from stadiums. Flag production ceased, and collectors stored theirs away like contraband. In place of these vibrant banners, cities unfurled colourful, neutral banners, with abstract symbols meant to signify unity. The world attempted to adapt. Sports teams, once rallying beneath their nation's colours, now played under nondescript banners that resembled a child's art project. The Olympics faced a crisis, no longer able to proudly hoist winners' flags. Athletes accepted their medals under a hypnotic swirl of colour that represented nothing, yet supposedly everything. As months passed, a strange shift occurred. Without flags to argue over, people found new symbols to rally round. Cities embraced their local symbols: a famous bridge, a beloved mountain, or an ancient tree. National holidays transformed into local celebrations. The absence of national flags, ironically, stirred a newfound appreciation for smaller, personal communities. But human nature craved identity. In a twist of irony, people began to use flags as symbols of rebellion. Underground flag making became a booming business. The very object that was banned for divisiveness turned into the ultimate sign of unity and resistance. In secret gatherings, people waved their flags with a fervour that hasn't been seen in decades, uniting under their old emblems against a world that said they couldn't.